Oh,
Paano mo na-realize na gusto mo nang mag-propose sa akin?
kasi 9 years na tayo at lahat naman ng desisyon ko na mag-propose pasimula nung una ay may basbas ng ating mga magulang. Kaya yun, gusto ko na rin eh. Gusto ko na rin magpakasal.
Today I wear my white, the kind that's once a lifetime. I feel like on a high, like my tummy's filled with butterflies. I've been waiting for this day, a long wait but it's worthwhile. Can't wait to finally say only hello, no more goodbye. Open up the curtains, cause I'm walking
May,
down the
paano ba tayo nagsimula?
Year
I might be
2015.
running cause I'm certain it's
Parang
the
wala akong
beginning of the
magawa.
rest of
Tapos,
our lives.
nasa computer shop ako nung naghahanap ako ng kotse. Yun, chinat kita. Then, nagulat ako kasi pag chat ko lang sa'yo ng musta, yung reply niya agad sa akin, pwede ko bang mahingi yung number mo?
I'm in my suit and tie, knees are shaking, love not gonna lie, but no I can't deny, getting hit just got me super psyched, yeah, cause walking through that
Kasi
door
may
is the
bagsak
woman
akong isang
I've been
subject.
praying for.
Babagsakin.
There's a look
Sabi ko,
you
kung
in the
papasa ako dito,
eye,
kukunin ko
my
yung
best
number
friend
mo.
is gonna
Tapos
be
yun,
mine.
tuloy-tuloy na yung
Open up the curtains, cause I'm walking down the
communication namin. Tapos
aisle.
hindi namin namamalayan na
Might
buwan
be
na pala
running
kami
cause I'm
magpupunta.
certain it's the
Tumagal kami ng
beginning of the
9
rest of
years
our
at nagkaroon
lives.
dito.
Can't wait to say I do. Can't wait to say I do. Can't wait to say I do. I do. Can't wait to say I do. Can't wait to say I do. Can't wait to say I do. I do. Can't wait to say I do. Can't wait to say I do. Can't wait to say I do. I do.
Paano nga ba tayo tumagal ng 9 years na tayo pa rin?
Siguro,
I can't wait to
hindi ko rin masabi kung bakit.
I do.
Pero alam ko, mahal natin yung isa't isa. Kaya tumagal tayo ng 9 years.
Parehas tayo may iba't ibang ugali. And parehas din natin iniintindi yung iba nating ugali.
Can't wait to say.
Can't wait to say I do. Can't wait to
Siguradong
say I
sigurado
do.
na ako sa relasyon natin dito. Kasi sa loob ng 9 years, sobrang dami nating pinagdaanan. Saka thank you din sa paghantay sa akin kasi kaya mo naman yun. Alam ko, sigurado na ako na kaya nating mag-settle down pa rin.
I do.
Can't wait to say I do.
Handa ka na ba?
Handa ka na rin ba?
Handa na. Handang-handa na.
Say I do.
Ready na tayo ah.
Ready na.
I do.